trouble in paradise.
Well, what's up?
Julia said she wants to go live with her dad.
What did you do?
Oh, excuse me.
Banished her best friend?
Maya? What's Maya got to do with it?
Oh, no. Her best friend. TikTok.
Oh, you guys are brave. Good luck.
No, I haven't banished anyone. I've just instigated a new rule of 1 hour reading for 1 hour screen time.
She read about it somewhere, some app developer from some
You know,
kind
they
of
develop these apps, they make a fortune, but the one thing they do not do is let their kids anywhere near them because they're like cocaine for the brain.
And because of that, she now wants to go live at her dad's whare.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's not going to be much different there, is it?
No, it's not, because we're always on the same page.
Yeah. In fact, that's what I love about you two. You put your differences aside and concentrate on the kids. You'll do the same. It's sweet.
He's a good guy. He's a great dad. He's just impossible to live with.
Because you're so easy, aren't you?
You know, it was hard on all of us when you two split up.
Whatever. You're just sad because he owned a boat.
Oh! Hey, I love that boat, boy.